Why the Earth is habitable. There are three factors on why the Earth is habitable. We have distance, environment cycles, and then active tectonic plate systems. Distance is that the Earth is the right distance from the Sun. It's protected from harmful radiation because of magnetic fields, but it is able to keep warm from the insulating atmosphere, has the right chemical ingredients for life, which include water and carbon. The environmental cycles are the processes that shape the Earth and that constantly cycle elements through the planet. This cycling sustains life and leads to the formation of the mineral and energy resources that are the foundation of modern technological society. Active tectonic plates, which continuously produce and destroy the crust. The same system also gives us active water, oxygen, and carbon dioxide cycles. As material is subducted down into the Earth's interior and eventually re-erupted from volcanoes. However, while tectonic plates give Earth active water and gas cycles, the tectonic system itself moves too slowly to be the process that actively maintains the climate.